National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, Northwestern Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, Grady County in central Oklahoma, southern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, northern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, McClain County in central Oklahoma, until 3:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles southwest of Dibble to 5 miles north of Bray to 4 miles west of Marlow to near Fort Sill, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lawton, Duncan, Chickasha, Newcastle, Blanchard, Purcell, Marlow, Lindsay, Elgin, Apache, Maysville, Rush Springs, Bray, Fletcher, Surreal, Dibble, Sterling, Wayne, Washington, and Cole. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.